Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. It looks fantastic. You do have the chrome on the grille up front here and the chrome bumper with your tow hooks right there. It does come with halogen quad headlamps right there, as well as your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Bridgestone brand tires. Still lots of tread left on those tires, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have the running boards along the bottom that'll help you get up on in, and you do also have heated exterior mirrors here with the turning signals on them. Now they are tow mirrors, so all you gotta do is just come over here and pop them up just like that. Now they are the tow mirrors. Super nice and handy. Now coming around the back, you do have a massive 8-foot box back here. Pretty much store whatever you might need to. You do have the SLT badging. You have a chrome bumper back here, and as long as it's unlocked, we can just open it up. Lots of room back here as well. Looks fantastic and does have the box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it all warm for you and heat it up. You don't have to go outside in your pajamas and be all gross. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting here. Handle and some storage, as well as some more storage with a water bottle holder just down there. Very nice interior as well, very comfortable. The seats are very nice, very soft. You do have your controls over your electric seats, so backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. And then you do also have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control right here. And then right up here, we do also have our windshield wipers, high beams, and our turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, oil life, all of that stuff there. Now you can change that around from our speedometer to our vehicle info, fuel economy. You got your trip A, your trip B. You also have your trailer tow options, your audio, you have your stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here, as well as your voice recognition, your call button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. As well, just around the back here, we do have the controls over the volume up and down, as well as the source in the center there. And on the other side, you do have an identical one for your channel changer. Now, you do have your gear shift right here, just like that as well. And then over here, we do have our touchscreen display, our 5-inch touchscreen. So we do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM there. As well as we have our media devices here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, aux cord, or USB. You have your phone here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Your compass just up here. Your settings, and then also your more options just there. Then you have your volume up and down with your mute, screen off, back button, and browser there. Then you get your seat warmers here. You also have your power for the climate here with the push to change the circulation. You have the AC and heat here, hazard lights, and then your where it's going to blow out of there. Then down here we also have our trailer brake. We have our traction control, tow and haul mode, and exhaust brake there. Then here we do have some additional storage, some more storage just in there. Then right here we do have our 3 cup holders and our armrest that does double as a storage container. You got some coin holders in there, and right over here we do have an aux cord USB plug-in. As well, you can lift this up and you do got another seat under there, so it does seat 6 people all together. And then right over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top here we do have the control over the window in the back and our universal garage door opener. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you have that same chrome accenting on the handle here. You have the controls over your window here, handle, and some storage, as well as some more right down there. Very large back here. It is the crew cab, as I said. Looks fantastic. You can pull these down as well. You got your armrest with some cup holders there. Then you can also fold your seats up just like this. You can do the same with the other side, but there's some more room. Then you can also fold this down just like this. Now you have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And then you also have some additional storage just underneath there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around review of the 2014 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.